Hi, I'm John. We're here today at Start Safety in Worcester and we're going to show you how you can install your wheel stops. Let me introduce you to Carstop. It's perfect for light vehicles and vans, perfect for residential and commercial applications. And remember, this product is made from recycled tyres. When considering the position, what we recommend is a 750 to 800 millimeter distance from the obstacle you're hoping to avoid. But also, in this case, we have to consider the downpipe. Thank you for watching this edition on how to install wheel stops with Start Safety. For further information, go to the website, which is startsafety.uk, or you can contact our team on 01905 794 875.